what's going on? I'm Richie Flo, and this is another Dick Tip.
And here you go, another Dick Tip. It's time for a Dick Tip.
Here are 3 ways to save money. Number 1, drink only water. Trust me, you don't even need those sodas and all the other stuff anyways. Carrot juice, put it down. Beer, put it down. Milk, put it down. Put all that shit down. Just drink water. Whenever you need something, they have that shit in fountains. They have that shit at your friend's house. Drink only water. And after 1 month, let's see how much money you've saved. Number 2, for every meal, eat cheap burritos. There's always a cheap burrito place somewhere around you. So instead of eating some fancy schmancy meals of steaks and potatoes, just eat little cheapy burritos. After about a month of eating just cheap burritos, let's see how much money you've saved. Number 3, stop all your habits. Stop chewing gum, stop smoking, stop drinking alcohol, all of them, everything. Stop getting hurt, having to go to the hospital. Don't do any of the stuff at all. Just you, be you. Don't do any habits, don't have any extra shit, and just do what you do for 1 month. And let's see how much money you've saved. Those are 3 ways to save money.